Good afternoon everyone. Andito tayo sa listing ko sa Chicago sa may Central Park at saka Irving Park Avenue. So itong listing ko just under contract. I got multiple offer and expectedly. So it's a quiet neighborhood. So kung meron kayong tanong paano magbenta ng bahay at saka bibili ng bahay, I will be happy to answer all your inquiries. Ang unang pagbibili ng bahay, first step is to get a pre-approval para malaman natin kung handa na ba kayo financially pagbili ng bahay. At saka kung meron ng pre-approval, ito na yung trabaho ko na yun, maghanap ng bahay sa location na gusto nyo, sa presyo, at saka kung ilang bedrooms or single family homes ba, or condo or townhouse. So if you have questions, please let me know. I will be happy to answer all your questions about real estate, buying and selling. I've been a realtor for a long time here in Chicago, all Chicagoland, Chicago neighborhood. Thank you. We'll be happy to answer all your questions.